I think it is being extra patient. So if I am being patient to you, it means I am showing my love. I am trying to love you. I am trying to love the person.
I give time and attention to someone who I love.
To be a blessing to my family. That's why I'm study hard to make them proud. That's how I show love to them.
Showing kindness to the people around you. It can be also through giving gifts. So, that's it. So, I personally, malalaman mo na mahal kita or na importante ka sa akin pag nag-show ako sa'yo ng act of service, like tulungan man lang kitang magsaing, magluto. So that is my way of showing love.
A loved person loves people.
That a saved person serves people. Forgiven people forgives.
A blessed person blesses other people.
Loving should be relational, intentional, and it should be personal.